Future grids facing rising threats, renewable swings, extreme weather, and sudden outages. Every shock threatens power system stability. When challenges hit, can the grid resist and recover? Welcome to the Grid Survival Series. 5 challenges and 5 survival skills. Today brings Challenge 1. Total grid blackout. When the main grid loses power completely, can the system recover from zero? It's like a car. Even with fuel, it still needs a battery to ignite the engine. When the entire grid falls into darkness, where does that initial ignition energy come from? StellaON Black Start capability provides the answer. Even when the external grid has completely lost voltage, StellaON can finish 3 critical steps. First, start autonomously under zero voltage conditions and establish stable voltage and frequency. Second, draw on the energy storage system to deliver the initial power required for restoration, bringing the critical equipment and the essential loads back online. Third, reconnect additional power sources and loads in a controlled sequence, gradually restoring the local grid, from establishing voltage and frequency from zero to delivering the first power, and finally, restoring a local power supply. StellaON helps the power system without external grid support start from zero and stand up again. Challenge resolve. Autonomous zero voltage start, done. Voltage frequency build, done. First power delivered, done. Local grid restored, done. Total grid blackout challenges, survived. But power restoration doesn't mean stability. Renewable swings can destabilize it again. The next challenge is here. When the grid faces continuous disturbances, how does it stay stable? This is the Grid Survival Series. See you next time.